peeps, we're gonna start off right here, and this beautiful gold and black with a little sequins on it, gold sequins. It's very full. It's 100 ml, and this one is Rebel Flare by Rihanna. I had the set with the lotion and the smaller tester. I have this left, Rebel by Rihanna. Beautiful and nice. It smells amazing, guys. You just have to use a little bit and it works for all day. This one is really good. Come on over to my Katy Perry. It's beautiful. It smells strong and nice, not too much strong, but just enough for you. If you are a lady of like taste and like strong stuff, this one is for you. Very nice. We're gonna move on over to this one. This one is just a shopper's one. It's called Black Amnesty. It's very nice, very soft. It's very mature. So if you're a mature person and like the softness and the subtleness of the, you know, just a relaxing scent, not too much flavorful or fruitful, this one would be for you. Very nice. We have Heat by Beyonce. It's called Beyonce Heat Seduction. It's very nice. I use it a few times, as you can see. Very simple, very it's a strong scent but not too strong, more ladylike, like fruity. This one would be for you. It's One Direction, Our Moment. So that's by One Direction. And moving on to another One Direction. This one is called You and I. It's right there at the side, and that's another One Direction. I use it more, as you can see. It's very fruity, but at least at that same time it's subtle, soft and nice. You and I. This is really good. Come on back into the front. This is, as you can see it, guys, I use it a lot. Very nice, very classic. You're going out for dinner, for date nights. If you have your other half, my peeps, and you wanted them to just rub on your shoulder or just rub your neck or just get that sniff, this perfume is for you guys. All the ladies who are into romance, Celine Dion is for you. Very nice. I got it at Blue Notes. It's just for my son. It's a camouflage for dark. So it's kind of nice. Not too much. It will last for the day, but you have to use a lot for that one. So it's Jaguar Classic Black. Very nice, very strong. Ladies, if you want your man to be scented, oh, so good, so strong, you just want to cuddle them forever, this is one for you. That Jaguar, very strong scent, lasts for more than 24 hours. So this is a recommendation for anyone who are interested in to have their other half or themselves smelling strong and nice. Jaguar is for you. It's a long name brand. This one been around forever. So it's Game by Adidas. My son has one using it now. I gave one to my husband, and I have one also, two also for my brothers. I bought 4 of them, and they are really strong, they last long, and they have a good scent. This one all men should have. They come in 2 different kind or type. Swiss Army Classic. guys, you need one of this. It can also come out of the container. Also, they come in another kind called the Swiss Army Altitude. I don't have it now, but whenever I bounce my hand on it, I have to get it back for my husband or for my son, even for a gift. It's really good. It's an upper version for the classic, and it's amazing. Both of them are good, but the Altitude is the bomb. But this one is also good, the classic. Now I'm gonna get the last part of the man section out of the way, and I jump back into my stuff. This one is for my son. It's already half. Versace. Yes, I got it right. So that's for my son, and you can see it comes in a little bit. It's very expensive. He already have that. It came as a gift. I have over here the Guess for ladies. Also, you have it in the Guess for men. It's a shorter container like this one, and he already took that. So if you want some perfume that lasts for maybe 3-4 days on your shirt after you can smell it, you want to try the Guess for men. Also, this Jaguar is really good too. You see, I have 3 of them. There were 5, and I gave 2 as a gift, as gifts. So now I have 3. I'm using this one, and then these 2 haven't been used yet. So those are my Guess. I love Guess. They last long. Also, I have a different kind of Guess right there. It's just for lady. It has more lady-like. This one, the brown one, is more stronger and richer, and this one is more fruitful, this Guess. Coming back to my Swiss Army, I have the Swiss Army for her. It's super good, super good. This one will last more than a day. It will remain on your shirt, on your blouse. This Swiss Army for her, guys, you need to have it in your collection if you love perfume. It is to die for. I use it for work, not too much, just a little, but when you're going out to party or to fancy occasion, you want to have, when you walk past, you want to have that after smell. This is for you. So it's Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears, old school. I love it. Really calm, not too much strong, but really it's rich and vibrant. It's very very earthy like. This is good. And this is another one. If I have to choose between both, I would choose this because this is more fruitful, more relaxing. It smells fruity like and subtle at the same time. So this would be my favorite. And this one is called a Fantasy. So both of them are fantasy. This is the Midnight Fantasy, and this more is for grown folks, and this more is for like young at heart. Very nice. So this is my favorite because you know your girl is young at heart. Jump right at the front, I have my Baby Fat. I got this as a gift, as a set. The lotion came with, and I think a body wash. It's a set. It's a Baby Fat. You see, guys, it's almost done, and that's my Baby Fat right there. Very nice, very subtle, lasts long. As you can see, the bottle almost finished, halfway through. Now I'm gonna jump right over here to my Mariah Carey. I love her. I have this for a while. I hardly use it. I had about 3 and I gave 2 away. Well, I had about 4. I used 1 off and I gave about 2 away for gifts, and I have this remain. It's Mariah Carey, old school, very nice, very good for date night. If you want somebody just to hug and smell you all night or all day, this is for you. We're gonna jump right over into the back, and also with Britney Spears again, old school. I had this many years ago and I had to get it back because it's subtle, it's good for work, just good for every day. This one is Britney Spears, Curious. very nice. The Taylor Swift, and it's called Wonderstruck. So it's Wonderstruck by Taylor Swift. Very nice, very classy, fashionable, with lots of bling on it. It smells really pretty. So if you're the fruity type, the fun type, you're into nice smell and flavor, oh, nice smell will do for you guys. This one is beautiful by Taylor Swift. I recommend it. I give it maybe 9 out of 10. It's really, really pretty, really fruity. So guys, this is it. I got my settings, my little setting I fixed up from my dollar store, my blings from my dollar store. I had some candle lights because this is really dear to me. It's my perfume collection, my peeps, and as I said, I'm a perfume freak. I really love perfume. They're dear to me. I love that scent of whoever person wearing it, that when you pass them, you can say, oh, that person, oh, I love it. I really love what that person is wearing. Some people are not into perfume, however, it doesn't matter. Once you smell nice, that's all that matters to me. Beautiful roses, candles, beautiful picture frame on the wall, a little mirror at the side there, more candles, beautiful candle lights for this special occasion, my peeps. And this is your girl Fiona in the house, saying one love and be blessed. Please remember to like and subscribe to your girl Fiona in the house. I love you all. Put God first. It doesn't matter if you wear perfume, yes or not. A good scent or good smell will do for me. Mwah, mwah, mwah. One love and be blessed.